Monday, guys. We are doing a couple cattle moves here and sorting off some weaned calves. So it'll be one heck of a ride. So what we are doing today is we are taking the whole herd. You might have seen a couple weekends ago. We brought the whole herd up here. Well, we have some calves that we need to wean off. So we're gonna do that, take them down to the corral. You can see the shed way over there. Take them all the way down there, and then wean off these calves, and then bring them all back when we're done. So, quite a long move and lots of working cows today. Got them down here. Now we're going to set a fence up right here so they can't go back. What?
Well, by the grace of God.
No.
Okay, now I'm going to make things hot, Phil.
Okay.
So everything should get hot.
Well, you want to put posts up?
I can do that, huh?
Okay.
I can also get shot. Just like that. You doing all right?
Yeah. Goodness. I'm out of shape.
Yeah.
How long is that?
About a mile. 3/4 of a mile.
Snail pace for me.
Well, I didn't know that for a minute. I thought they were going to put their heads down and start grading.
Oh.
Well, I ought to just grab that other wheel.
The girls are trying to work cows with us. Oh, never mind. They're not fit for the job. They're running away. Well, that was a little bit too busy to film anything. But anyways, we are done sorting off these weaned calves. My mother-in-law is here watching the babies, so she just went and fed Gracie May, made sure they were okay. Now we're going to take all the herd back up north. So mamas, babies, and some heifers. Last move of the day. Get everybody back up. Almost there. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Let's go, let's go. Ha, ha. Telling Ryan that was a long move. They're kind of slow, but they're all tired. I'm tired. They did really good. So Ryan's gonna turn off the fence so it's not hot anymore. We raised this up, you can see from that post over there, all the way over to this post. That way they have plenty of area to go underneath and get into this pen, this paddock, and then they can set it down and keep them in there. So this is the lane that they just came up. So Ryan put a temporary fence over here on this side, all the way down, and then we have a permanent fence right on this east side. Last little bit for the evening, and then we are going in and taking showers, but feeding little Daisy here. I think I might take her in the backyard and see if she wants to run around. You going, Spunky? Come here. Come here. You go run around the backyard. Come here. Come here, Daisy. Big. Oh. Come over here. Come on. Good night, Daisy.